I'm so excited to share this delicious family recipe with you today. We're talking roasted potatoes and sausage, a classic combo that just hits the spot every single time. But this isn't just any roasted potato and sausage recipe. This one has a special little secret that makes the potatoes extra creamy on the inside while getting that perfect crispy exterior. And the sausage? Juicy, flavorful, roasted to perfection. This rustic hearty meal is going to become your new favorite. Get ready to experience roasted potato and sausage perfection. To make oven-baked sausage and potatoes, start by washing the potatoes well. Peel potatoes with a peeler or a knife and cut them into about 3 cm cubes. On a cutting board, finely chop sage and rosemary, and mince garlic with the core removed. Add the potatoes in a large bowl with herb mixture, garlic, and a good pinch of salt and black pepper, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and olive oil. Toss to coat. Transfer potatoes to a baking sheet with 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and bake in a preheated static oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, cut the sausage into large pieces, about 4 centimeters each. After 20 minutes of baking, take the potatoes out of the oven and turn each piece over. Add the sausage and bake for another 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, turning the sausages halfway through. By now, both the potatoes and sausage should be nicely browned. If you like, turn on the grill function and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes to create a nice crust on top. Remove from the oven and serve immediately. Enjoy!